Hello everyone. Get ready to transform your home and yard into the spookiest Halloween ever. From glowing pumpkins and ghostly pathways to eerie indoor decor, we have got all the creative ideas you need to impress your guests and trick-or-treaters. Halloween almost here. It's time to turn your home into a spooky wonderland. Today we are sharing amazing DIY Halloween decoration ideas for both indoor and outdoor spaces. For your indoor decorations, think creepy candle holders, floating ghosts, spider webs on the walls, pumpkin centerpieces, and eerie lighting that sets the perfect mood. Your living room, dining area, and even bedrooms can be full of Halloween magic. Outside, transform your porch, garden, and driveway into a haunted masterpiece. Glowing pumpkins, ghostly figures hiding in bushes, spider webs, skeletons, witches, and creepy pathways will wow everyone in the neighborhood. These decorations are not just beautiful, they create unforgettable Halloween experiences for your family, friends, and trick-or-treaters. All these DIY projects are budget friendly. You can mix classic Halloween themes with modern spooky designs to make every corner of your home truly unique. So grab your materials, get inspired, and let's create Let's start indoor. Imagine your living room bathed in dim, flickering lights with creepy candle holders casting airy shadows, spider webs draped over corners, floating ghosts swinging gently from the ceiling, pumpkins carved with scary or funny faces at centerpieces, and haunted wall art. All these simple touches will instantly make your home feel magical and spooky. Now, moving outdoors. Your porch, garden, and driveway can become a haunted wonderland. Picture glowing pumpkins lighting up the pathway, skeletons chilling in the bushes, witches and ghosts popping. The goal is not just decoration, it's about creating an experience. Imagine your guests walking through your yard, feeling the thrill, excitement, and fun of a perfectly spooky Halloween night. Indoor or outdoor, every corner of your home can be part of this magical Halloween story. So grab your materials, get inspired, and let's make this Halloween unforgettable. Don't forget to share my video, share it with your friend, and subscribe to our channel for amazing, spooky, and creative Halloween ideas every year. I really hope that you're really enjoying this video. If you have any question, please leave me in comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you all. Remember me in your prayers. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for